What's up, YouTube, man? We out here, man. It's your boy Jarrell here, holding it down, Jarrell Fitness. Y'all already know, man. Time to grow, bro. Got the squad up here.
All right now.
You know what I'm saying?
All right now.
Got old Gary.
Appreciate it.
Kenny Nitro.
No complaint.
I got my boy Marcus. He way down there. He over there hooping in the gym. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, he's his little brother with him too, little Johnny. Shout out. Anyway, so man, this is what it's all about, man. Being in the gym, training. Man, if you're not training in the gym, man, I don't know what else the fuck you doing, man. But we out here doing our thing. You know, this is what it's all about, man. Like when I'm at work and I'm working my work week, I can't wait until the weekend, man, because I know that's gonna be the first day in the gym. That's the best day of the fucking week for me, man. So, like I say, I enjoy myself being here. You know what I'm saying? And I just want to talk to y'all about just being motivated to get in the gym, man. Stay motivated. I've been getting a lot of great comments from people lately telling me that watching my videos have helped them get back in the gym.
Shout out to
and like I say, man, it's a beautiful thing. And like I say, it's all good, man. This is why I do this shit, and I do it for y'all. So I just wanted to stop in real quick, let you guys know what's going on. But let me go ahead and show y'all around the gym real quick. Let me show y'all.
Wait, and before he go, I want to send all the shout outs to the ones who wish me a happy birthday and the ones who support the channel. Keep supporting us. We love y'all.
Yes, sir. So anyway, here's the gym. You know what I'm saying? And like my boy said, Gary, he said shout out to everybody. So this is the gym. You see Gary, he doing him some assisted dips right now.
I need that.
You know what I'm saying? So, you know, that's how we do, man. So got those guys over there, they over there playing some racquetball or whatever the fuck you call it. And like I said, this is what it's all about, man. Just take a look around, man. Don't y'all want to be a part of this? You know, if you're sitting on the couch right now and you're eating some McDonald's or some shit like that, man, don't you just think to yourself, don't you want to be a part of this, man? This is what it's about, man. So that's how we do. Ain't no bragging. We just out here. So anyway, guys, if you like the video, go ahead and like it, comment and subscribe to your boy Jarrell here at Jarrell Fitness. And like I said in the beginning, y'all already know, man.
It's time to grow, bro.
It's time to grow, bro. Peace.